We're going to show you a step-by-step process on how to paint your old timber furniture. From timber to white finish, and we also did a blue. These top coats come in a multitude of different colors, depending on what you're looking for. But here are two examples. The first step is using our 3-in-1 primer. Interior, exterior, primer sealer undercoat. Mostly used for raw timber or any surfaces that have adhesion issues. Here we're using the primer sealer undercoat as we don't know what was on this timber previously. So for a safe bet and the best adhesion possible, we recommend using the 3-in-1 for jobs like this. Second step is using our tile, laminate, and melamine paint. We call it TLM for short. This is a tough, one-pack polyurethane paint designed for surfaces such as bench tops, tile floors, or any kind of surface that may be dragged on a lot. So a bookshelf is perfect for this. Here we're going over it with the white color. Now for the best full finish, we recommend 2 coats of the tile, laminate, and melamine paint. Before and after of the 3-in-1 and then the TLM paint. This next step is not necessary, but we've done it anyway just to show you another color. This color here is the mid blue in the TLM paint. If you were going to do this color instead of the white, you would have just done the 3-in-1 primer and then 2 coats of the mid blue. You can comment below, tell us which color you think is the better color. If you want to know more about this product or any of our other products, contact the factory directly.